5 emerging technologies that are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From solid-state batteries to fusion power, blockchain, smart homes, and lab-grown products. Each of these technologies holds immense potential to transform various aspects of our lives. 1. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries are at the forefront of battery technology, offering a promising alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. One of the key benefits of solid-state batteries is their enhanced safety and stability compared to conventional batteries. By replacing the liquid electrolyte with a solid material, these batteries are less prone to overheating and thermal runaway, making them a safer option for various applications. Researchers and developers are actively working to improve the performance of solid-state batteries, focusing on increasing energy density, reducing charging times, and enhancing overall efficiency. Recent advancements in materials science and manufacturing techniques have shown great promise in overcoming the challenges associated with solid-state batteries, bringing us closer to a future where these batteries can outperform their lithium-ion counterparts. One of the most exciting applications of solid-state batteries lies in the electric vehicle industry. With their higher energy density and improved safety features, solid-state batteries have the potential to revolutionize the way we power electric vehicles. By enabling longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and increased durability, solid-state batteries can address some of the key limitations of current battery technology, making electric vehicles more practical and appealing to consumers. As research and development efforts continue to push the boundaries of solid-state battery technology, we can expect to see significant advancements that will not only benefit the electric vehicle industry, but also have a positive impact on various other sectors, including consumer electronics, renewable energy storage, and beyond. 2. Fusion power. Fusion power holds the promise of providing clean, limitless energy by harnessing the same process that powers the sun, nuclear fusion. Unlike nuclear fission, which is currently used in nuclear power plants, fusion reactions involve combining light atomic nuclei to release energy, producing minimal radioactive waste and posing no risk of a meltdown. This makes fusion a safer and more sustainable energy source with significant advantages over traditional fission-based power generation. While the concept of fusion power has been studied for decades, achieving sustainable fusion reactions has proven to be a complex challenge. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to overcome technical hurdles such as achieving high enough temperatures and pressures to initiate and sustain fusion reactions, as well as developing efficient confinement methods to contain the plasma at extreme conditions. Despite these challenges, significant progress has been made in recent years, with experimental fusion reactors demonstrating longer plasma confinement times and higher energy yield. The potential of fusion power to revolutionize the energy landscape is immense, offering a reliable and virtually limitless source of clean energy that could help mitigate climate change and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. From reducing greenhouse gas emissions to minimizing environmental impact, fusion power has the potential to pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future. By harnessing the power of fusion reactions, we can unlock a clean energy source that is not only abundant, but also environmentally friendly, offering a promising solution to our growing energy needs while preserving the health of our planet for future generations. 3. Blockchain. Blockchain technology has emerged as a revolutionary concept that is transforming the way we store, manage, and secure data in decentralized systems. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner, utilizing cryptographic techniques to ensure the integrity and immutability of data. Originally developed as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain has since found applications across various industries beyond finance. In the finance sector, blockchain is being used to streamline processes such as cross-border payments, trade settlements, and smart contracts, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Supply chain management is another area where blockchain is making a significant impact by enhancing transparency and traceability, allowing stakeholders to track the provenance of products from origin to destination. In healthcare, blockchain is being leveraged to securely store and share patient data, ensuring privacy and interoperability among healthcare providers. One of the key advantages of blockchain technology is its ability to enhance security and transparency in data transactions. By utilizing a decentralized network of nodes to validate and record transactions, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. The transparent nature of blockchain also enables users to verify the authenticity of data and track the history of transactions, fostering trust and accountability in digital interactions. As blockchain continues to evolve and find new applications, its potential to revolutionize industries by improving security, efficiency, and transparency remains unparalleled. By embracing blockchain technology, organizations can unlock new opportunities for innovation and collaboration, paving the way for a more secure and interconnected digital future. 4. Smart homes. Smart home technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with our living spaces, offering a range of innovative devices and systems that enhance convenience, security, and energy efficiency. From smart thermostats and lights to security systems and appliances, the integration of Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence has created intelligent home ecosystems that can be controlled and monitored remotely. Smart devices such as smart thermostats allow homeowners to regulate their home's temperature efficiently, saving energy and reducing utility costs. Smart lights can be programmed to adjust brightness and color based on preferences or schedules, creating personalized lighting experiences. Security systems equipped with smart cameras and sensors provide real-time monitoring and alerts, enhancing home security and peace of mind. The synergy of AI and IoT in smart homes enables devices to learn user behaviors and preferences, adapting and optimizing settings to create a more comfortable and personalized living environment. By analyzing data and patterns, AI-powered smart home systems can anticipate needs and automate tasks, simplifying daily routines and enhancing overall convenience for homeowners. Beyond convenience, smart homes offer significant benefits in energy efficiency and sustainability. By optimizing energy usage through smart devices and automated systems, homeowners can reduce their carbon footprint and lower energy bills. Additionally, the enhanced security features of smart homes provide a sense of safety and control, allowing residents to monitor and protect their homes remotely. As smart home technology continues to evolve and expand, the possibilities for creating smarter, more efficient, and secure living spaces are endless. Embracing the innovations of smart homes can not only enhance the quality of life for homeowners, but also contribute to a more sustainable and connected future. 5. Lab-grown. Lab-grown products represent a cutting-edge innovation that is reshaping traditional manufacturing processes and offering sustainable alternatives across various industries. From lab-grown meat and diamonds, the process of creating these products in controlled environments is revolutionizing the way we produce goods. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, involves growing animal cells in a lab setting to create meat products without the need for animal slaughter. Similarly, lab-grown diamonds are created using advanced technology that replicates the natural diamond growing process, offering a more sustainable and ethical alternative to mined diamonds. The implications of lab-grown technology extend beyond individual products, with the potential to revolutionize entire industry. From reducing the environmental footprint of food production to transforming the jewelry sector, lab-grown products are paving the way for a more sustainable and ethical future. Embracing the advancements in lab-grown technology can lead to innovative solutions that benefit both consumers and the planet, driving progress towards a more sustainable and responsible global economy. In this video, we have explored a diverse range of emerging technologies that are poised to revolutionize industries and shape the future of our world. From the significance of solid-state batteries in advancing electric vehicle technology to the potential of fusion power as a clean energy source, each technology offers unique benefits and opportunities for innovation. Blockchain technology has showcased its potential to enhance security and transparency across various sectors, while smart homes have redefined convenience, energy efficiency, and security in residential space. Additionally, the advancements in lab-grown products have opened new possibilities for sustainable and ethical alternatives in manufacturing. As we continue to witness rapid advancements in technology, it is crucial for viewers to stay informed about emerging tech trends and innovations that have the power to transform our lives. By keeping informed of the latest developments in solid-state batteries, fusion power, blockchain, smart homes, and lab-grown technologies, viewers can actively participate in shaping the future of technology and sustainability. We invite you to engage with our channel by subscribing for more insightful content on emerging technologies.